Selfyz AI review. Let's get started. So what is Selfyz AI? Selfyz AI is a mobile app that transforms selfies and photos into animated videos, stylized portraits, cartoon avatars, and more. It offers features like the AI hug, the face dance, pet animation with persona retouching, hair body editing, and theme filters like anime or fantasy, as you can see here. It offers a wide range of creative features as well. They also have high download volume with over 36,000 or 36 million installs. And then they also have responsive support in some cases. And they have occasional impressive results. The only downside is it has some subscription and credit costs. For output quality and reliability though, it can also be a hit or miss. And according to some reviews, they have no real trial or free trial, and many features are locked behind the paywalls. So, in conclusion, if you enjoy playing with stylus photo animations and accept occasional glitches, then it is worth it. But it's not recommended if you require consistent, high quality videos or transparent pricing.